Hello friends! Welcome back to our fun learning. Today we will learn about adjectives. But adjectives क्या होते हैं? Hello. Adjective is a word that describes a noun. मतलब adjective किसी person, place, animal या thing के बारे में extra information देता है. Look, ये क्या है? This is an apple. But apple कैसा है? It is a red apple.
यहाँ red apple को describe कर रहा है. So red is an adjective. So adjectives are basically the describing words. Let's see some more examples. A big elephant. Here big is an adjective. Now this sweet ice cream. Sweet is describing the ice cream here, so it's an adjective. Now answer this. How is the dog? Cute, small and brown. So these are the adjectives.
So today we learned adjectives. In next video, we will learn conjunctions. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep learning. Take care.